Dear family and friends, I must sadly tell you that Friday the Fifth Circuit ruled against every argument Steve's attorney made in appeal. The court opened with a subjective and highly sarcastic paragraph that one would expect to find in a liberal political commendatory article, not in a judicial opinion from a respected high court in the United States system. It's pretty well set the stage for the reader to know the court wasn't going to agree with us on anything. His attorney and the amicus brief author are both angered at the flippant attitude of the court. Steve's attorney is trying to get a call scheduled with him to discuss options from here. But in talking with him, I've learned that the more court defeats like this and the further we get away from the initial 2018 district court, the less likely an overturn. Rest assured, Steve will further appeal, just not sure what can be appealed and to whom is best. Problem with most Republicans is that we've always taken a hang 'em high attitude to law and justice. So frankly, it's a largely Republicans that have contributed to this lawlessness of the judicial system. Of course, we want to believe we have a just justice system. Strangely, the Fifth Circuit put aside numerous precedent decisions that had come right from their own court. Meanwhile, many media outlets have run with the DOJ's press release, which is always spun to cast them in the best light and Steve in the worst. Our nation is in a sad state of affairs, as most of you know. We know Steve is innocent of any felonies, but oh, what a tangled web the DOJ weaved from the onset. It's so very hard to believe this is what our justice system does. Steve himself said Sunday that if someone had come to his office and told him of this corruption, he'd have dismissed them as nuts. I'll leave my commentary out. We will proceed, and we still know that God has a higher plan and has not abandoned us. This is just a further test of our faith that He will carry us through. We continue to pursue other avenues of hope. Thank you for your continued prayers. Love, Patti and Steve Stockman at defendapatriot.com. And then she's got 2 Corinthians 4, 8-9. We are hard-pressed on every side, but not crushed, perplexed, but not in despair, persecuted, but not abandoned, struck down, but not destroyed. Thank you for tuning in. Please write to Steve Stockman. Send Patti your prayers for her patience with this joke of an unjust system.